Grasping at straws, understanding an English idiom. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into a fascinating English phrase, grasping at straws. This idiom might sound a bit strange at first, but it's widely used in English conversations. So, let's explore what it means, its origin, and how you can use it in everyday speech. Get ready to add another interesting expression to your English vocabulary. The phrase, grasping at straws, is used to describe a situation where someone is in a desperate or hopeless position and tries to find a solution, however unlikely, to their problem. Imagine someone drowning and trying to grab any floating straw in a futile attempt to save themselves. It's a metaphor for attempting to find hope or a solution in an almost impossible situation. It's important to note that this idiom often suggests that the efforts are unlikely to succeed. Understanding the origin of idioms can often help us remember and use them correctly. The phrase, grasping at straws, is believed to have originated from the longer expression, a drowning man will clutch at a straw. This older version vividly illustrates the desperation of the situation. It first appeared in print in the early 17th century and has been used in various forms since then. The current shorter form became popular in the 19th century. Let's see how grasping at straws can be used in everyday conversations. 1. The company was failing, and the CEO's new plan seemed like he was just grasping at straws. 2. After losing the trail, the hikers grasped at straws, trying any path they could find, hoping it would lead them back. 3. In the debate, it was clear he was grasping at straws, making points that hardly related to the main argument. These examples show how the phrase can be applied in various contexts, from business to personal situations. Like many idioms, grasping at straws can have variations. One common one is clutching at straws. This means exactly the same thing and can be used interchangeably. Another variation is catching at straws, which is less common but still understood in English-speaking countries. Grasping at straws is a powerful idiom that expresses desperation and a slim hope of success. Now that you understand its meaning, origin, and how to use it, try incorporating it into your conversations. It's a great way to sound more natural and fluent in English. We hope you found this video helpful. Keep practicing, and see you in the next one.